You know what time it is. It's Mystery Tackle Box time. It just got here. Haven't opened it at all. So let's do it. See what we got. It's my favorite time of the month. See what's in the box. What's inside. Whew. Alright, first one. I love it. First one is a Lucky Craft LC 1.5 SSR. So essentially it looks like a sweet crankbait. Square bill. This is $12.99 value. Ooh, hot out here. This bad boy is pretty sexy. Got rattles. It is Flake Flake Rayburn Red Crawl. And them rattles. That thing's sick. It's like a... Man. It's like translucent kind of, but it's got some red and then the top is black. You guys can see that? Oh, look at that. The rattles in there. That's sick. Ooh. We'll use that this weekend. Got a sticker. Check that out. They always give you a sweet sticker. Next up, got the dibble in there. Next up is the Phantom Lures Tilly. This is a $5.99. Now this is interesting. I have never seen one of these before in my life. 2.5 inches of individually hand-painted Fury. Phantom Tilly is your drop the gloves vertical jigging bait. That's a virtually guaranteed 5 for fighting on the ice. Okay. A little interesting. I don't think I'll be using it on ice because I'm in Cincinnati and we don't really get any ice to ice fish. But I could vertical jig this for sure. Very interesting. I will give it a shot. Next up, B8 Lab Squirm. Okay. These are a 409. Look like a watermelon red color. Essentially. It's like about a... So it kind of looks like a stick bait. Oh, it is a stick bait, but it's not perfectly round. You probably can't tell, but it actually has some flat sides to it. And it has what looks to be like little, almost like little eyes right there. Interesting. Got a stanky scent to it. Those are cool. Are these 5-inch? Yep, 5-inch. Ultimate Strike Squirm. It is watermelon red flake. Sure. Next up, Excite Baits Pegasus. Got the weight stoppers. Can always use those. And we also got the Katana Nico Hook Pack. Use those on those bad boys right there. So that's it. Another great box. I definitely put everything to use. This is probably the only thing I might not use, but if, hey, like I said, I'm going to try to give it a shot. I've never used anything quite like it, so see how it goes. But that's it for this month. I'll leave the link in the description for Mystery Tackle Box. Get you one of these coming to your door every single month. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.